Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our last session, as you know, that we were on unit number 9, that is the world around us. So in the last session, we discussed about the various sports, the famous sports of the world. Now, in today's session, I am going to start with another topic from the unit number 9, that is changing names, which is given at page number 76. So, all of you, kindly open your books at page number 76, that is changing names. So, I am just writing the topic here, that is unit 9. Okay, the topic is changing names. Okay, and this is given at page number 76. Changing names. Okay, so first of all, I just want to introduce you the topic, that what is the meaning of this changing names. So this means, changing name means, where there are various cities and the countries in the world whose name has been changed during the different period of time. Recently, if you remember, तो अभी हमारे बहुत सारे जो इंडिया के जो cities हैं, उनका name है जो that has been changed, like we'll take the example of Allahabad. So now Allahabad is known as Prayagraj. Banaras, our own city, earlier it was Banaras, now it is known as Varanasi. Okay, Pondicherry, that is known as Puducherry now. Okay, Bangalore it is known as Bangalore. Okay, so similarly there are various cities and the countries all over the world whose name has been changed. Okay, so in this topic we will discuss about the names of the various countries and cities that has been changed. So here in the page number 76, at one side they have given the old names and the other side they have given the new names. So you have to match the names of the old and the new names of a city. Okay, or so you have not to match, you have to mention A, B, C, D, the correct option. So first of all, it is given, write the correct answer option in the box to match the old names of these places in India with their new names. Okay, so we have to match the names of these new places with their old names by putting the correct answer in the box, or the correct option in the box. Clear? Chalo. Starting with the first one. The first is Calcutta. Okay, so the name of the first city is Calcutta. Calcutta. That is Calcutta. Okay, so Calcutta is the old name of Kolkata. Okay, Calcutta is the old name of Kolkata. कोलकाता जो अब हम कोलकाता बुलाते हैं, earlier it was known as Calcutta. Calcutta and Calicut, they both are different. Okay, they are the name of the two different cities. So this is Calcutta. Now Calcutta is known as Kolkata. That is option number C. That is Kolkata. Okay, now Calcutta is known as Kolkata. Moving next, the second one. The second is Trichinopoli. Okay, Trichinopoli. Okay, now Trichinopoli. So Trichinopoli is an old name of Tiruchirappalli. So Trichinopoli is the old name of Tiruchirappalli. So Tiruchirappalli का पुराना नाम क्या था? Trichinopoli. But now it is known as Tiruchirappalli. Okay, so write it down. The old name is Trichinopoli, T R I F Tiru 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 Chira CHIRRA Tiruchirappalli double PALI Tiruchirappalli. Done. Moving next to the third one. The third is Bombay. So Bombay is the old name of Mumbai. So Mumbai, that is known as the finance capital of India. So its old name was Bombay, but now it is known as Mumbai. So the third is Bombay, BOMBAY. So what is the new name of Bombay? The new name of Bombay is Mumbai. That is option number G. Now Bombay is known as Mumbai. The old name of Mumbai was Bombay. Bombay, Mumbai, ऐसे नाम था. No, it's not Mumbai. Next, Madras. The next is Madras. So the new name of Madras is Chennai. So the Chennai जो है बेटा, that is one of the metro cities of India. Okay, so its old name was Madras, but now it is known as Chennai. So the old name was Madras, but now it is known as Chennai. It is given at option number E, Chennai, CHENNAI. That is Chennai. Moving next to the fifth one. Okay, so now the city is known as Kanpur, but the earlier name or the old name of Kanpur was Kanpur, CAWNPUR, Kanpur. Its old name was Kanpur, but now it is known as Kanpur. Okay, the spellings, the pronunciation is little bit same, but the spellings are far different from each other. The spellings of Kanpur was CAWNPORE, that is Kanpur, but now it is known as Kanpur. That is option number A. That is option number A. That is Kanpur. Clear? Check. Moving next to the sixth one. Next is Cochin. Next is Cochin. So what is the new name of Cochin? Now Cochin is known as Kochi. Cochin का नया नाम का है Kochi. So Kochi you must have heard, that is a city in the Kerala. Okay, its old name was Cochin. So the old name was Cochin, 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 but now it is known as Kochi. That is option number D, Kochi, CAOCHI. That is Kochi. Moving next to the seventh one. Next is Pondicherry. So I have already told you the new name of the Pondicherry. So what is the new name of Pondicherry? Now it is known as Puducherry. Pondicherry is now known as Puducherry. So earlier name of Puducherry was Pondicherry, but the new name is Puducherry. So write down. Okay, Pondicherry. PONDICHERRY. That is Pondicherry, and its new name is Puducherry, which is given at option number B, Puducherry, PUDUCHERRRY. That is Puducherry, but its new name is Puducherry. Okay. चलिए देखिए, these are the answers from 1 to 7. Okay, moving next to the 8th one. Let's do the next one. The 8th is Benares. So what is the new name of Benares? That is Varanasi. Option number I. So the new name of Benares, that is our own city, is Varanasi. So the 8th is Benares. B-E-N-A-R-A-S. So the new name of Benares is Varanasi. That is option number I. That is Varanasi. Varanasi. Clear? Chalo. Moving next to the 9th one. The 9th is Gurgaon. So what is the new name of Gurgaon? So the new name of Gurgaon is Gurugram. So earlier it was known as Gurgaon, but now it is known as Gurugram, which is given at option number K, Gurugram. So earlier name of Gurgaon, G-U-R-G-A-O-N. Okay, so that was Gurgaon. Now it is known as Gurugram. That is option number K, Gurugram. That is Gurugram. Done? Chalo. Moving next to the 10th one. The 10th is Trivandrum. So what is the new name of Trivandrum? So the new name of Trivandrum is Tiruvananthapuram. The new name of Trivandrum is Tiruvananthapuram. Okay. So the 10th is Trivandrum. That is Trivandrum. So what is the new name of Trivandrum? So the new name of Trivandrum is Tiruvananthapuram. Okay, that is option number H. T-H-I-R-U Vantham, V-A-N-A-N-T-H-A okay, Puram, P-U-R-A-L. This is the complete one spelling test. But here that will, अगर मैं आगे लिखूँगी, that will be out of the focus. Okay, or should I adjust it? Okay, so I have adjusted it. Okay, so now we can write it. Spelling that is Tiruvananthapuram. P-U-R-A-M. Tiruvananthapuram. So the new name of Trivandrum is Tiruvananthapuram. Clear? Moving next to the 11th one. That is Baroda. That is Gujarat. So what is the new name of Baroda? So the new name, Bank of Baroda, you must have heard about Bank of Baroda. Okay, so that is the new name of Baroda is Vadodara. Bank का नाम change नहीं हुआ. Bank का name is Bank of Baroda is only. But the Baroda is the name of a city that is in Gujarat. So what is the new name of Baroda? So the new name of Baroda is Vadodara. That is option number G. That is Baroda. The old name was Baroda. Whereas the new name is option number J. Vadodara. V-A-D-O-D-A-R-A. That is Vadodara. Clear? So this is the answer from 8 to 11. So, except this, certain names of the old names and the new names of some countries are given. So now we will discuss the old name and the new names of some countries. That is given in your tidbit. That is very important. Okay, so make sure that you all revise this tidbit as well. चलिए. So let's talk about it. So we will talk about the old name and new name of various countries. Okay, so let's discuss it. So the first is Ceylon. So Ceylon is Ceylon. Ceylon is the old name of Sri Lanka. So the new name is Sri Lanka. So the old name of Ceylon is, the old name of Sri Lanka is Ceylon, but now it is known as Sri Lanka. Moving next to the second one. The second is Constantinople. Constantinople is the old name of Istanbul. Okay, Constantinople, Constantinople. Constantinople is the old name of Istanbul. That is of Istanbul. Okay, तो इस्तांबुल का नाम पुराना नाम क्या था? कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल. Moving next to the third one. The third is Peking. So Peking is the old name of Beijing. Actually, Beijing is not a country. Beijing is the name of a city or the capital of China. So Beijing जो है China की capital है. But its earlier name, its old name was Peking. Now it is known as Beijing. And the दुनिया का जो सबसे बड़ा है world largest airport, that is in the Beijing airport only. Next, Persia. So Persia is the old name of Iran. Okay, so Persia is the old name of Iran. So Iran का पुराना नाम क्या था? So the old name of Iran was Persia. Okay. Moving next to the fifth one. The fifth is Siam. Siam is the old name of Thailand. That is Siam. Siam is the old name of Thailand. Siam is the old name of Thailand. Okay, Siam is the old name of Thailand. Or the old name of Thailand was Siam. So these are the 5 countries and the cities that we have discussed. Now moving to the sixth one. Okay, you can write it in your notebooks. Okay, the old and the new name of various countries. So you can just write it in your notebooks by pausing the video there only. Chaliye. The next is 6. That is Abyssinia. Abyssinia. A-B-Y-S-S-I. And Abyssinia is the old name of Ethiopia. That is the old name of Ethiopia. E-T-H-I-O-P-I-A. Abyssinia is the old name of Ethiopia. Abyssinia is the old name of Ethiopia. Moving next to the 7th one. Gaul. G-A-U-L. Gaul is the old name of France. So what was the old name of France? That was Gaul. Next, Burma. 8th is Burma. Burma is the old name of Myanmar. Burma is the old name of Myanmar. Clear? So with this we have completed the topic, that is changing names. So I am just ending the today's session here only. class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.